Is there a link between ice cream and antifreeze? Well, turns out, yeah, kind of. There are very similar chemicals that can be found in both car antifreeze and ice cream, but let's get one thing straight. This isn't really a bad thing. Propylene glycol is a diol, which means it has two alcohol groups, which gives it many great properties. It's an emulsifier, a stabilizer, a solvent, and an antimicrobial. It's also hygroscopic, which means it draws in moisture from the air, so it's used in cosmetics to help prevent hair drying out. It also lowers the freezing point and raises the boiling point of water, which prevents ice crystals from forming, which is great for ice cream, and also antifreeze. Chemists use a very similar chemical in antifreeze called ethylene glycol. It's still a diol, but it's very, very toxic. You're not going to find ethylene glycol in your Neapolitan. These two chemicals show why it's really important to understand some chemistry and know the difference between chemicals so we can avoid some misinformation. And if you're ever wary about certain chemicals in food, just remember this quote from chemist Paracelsus: "It's the dose that makes the poison."